Fishing for me is usually when you're fishing, you're in a stunning location, often with good company. You know, you have the thrill of catching a fish, the thrill of figuring out how to do so as well. You know, that's really rewarding. What you take away overall is hard to beat.
Some people wait days, some people wait weeks to go fishing in places. I've been waiting years to come here.
I assumed before I came here, knowing that it would be 24 hours of daylight, that my sleep pattern would be knocked out, I'd be a little bit disorientated, but I don't feel tired. I don't get exhausted. You know, there was a moment in the week where I hadn't slept for near 30 hours, and I felt great. You know, not a problem. I could live this lifestyle easily.
Woo! Yeah, baby. Ah, yes.
You don't need to sleep. We've got to
Awesome.
be fishing for 14 hours in a row.
That sounds good.
This is a whole new reason to call it fly fishing.
Welcome to paradise.
I expected to find amazing people. I expected to find a beautiful country and incredible fishing, and I did, and some more.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, mate. Watch out, watch out.
It's really been, without trying to make it sound too much, it's been a little life-changing. It's really given me a new perspective. Any advice, just get saving, book your flights, get in contact, and just get out here and experience it for yourself, because you won't regret it. You'll have the time of your life.